Hi Etsy sellers! Today I analyzed Etsy's newest listings for digital products in the last 30 days, and what I found is shocking. 4 out of the top 5 best-selling digital products are all crochet PDF patterns, and these 4 listings alone made over $12,000 in just 30 days. These are real listings I found using EHunt, filter, new listings, last 30 days, digital products ... and here's what came up. Let's take a closer look at these listings, because this is where things get really interesting. The first one, this Luna the Crow sewing case, is a perfect example of what works on Etsy right now. At first glance, it looks like a cute crochet project, but actually, it's a functional sewing organizer disguised as a character design. So instead of selling a boring storage solution, it turns it into something creative, collectible, and fun to make. And that's a huge advantage on Etsy, because buyers here are not just looking for utility, they're looking for personality and emotional value. The second listing, this sweet stitch bunny pattern, is perfect for Easter season. Bunnies are iconic for spring and holiday decor, and this pattern combines seasonal demands with beginner-friendly design. It's simple, approachable, and giftable, making it ideal for casual buyers who want quick, cute handmade items. That combination of timing and accessibility is exactly why this listing can gain traction much faster than a generic product. The third listing, the stacked petals design, shifts into another strong category, home decor. This type of pattern is perfect for people who want to create something beautiful for their space or as a handmade gift. And on Etsy, giftable products always have an advantage because they tap into a much broader buying intent. This kind of design also fits really well with current trends like handmade aesthetics and that Pinterest-style lifestyle content that's been growing a lot recently. And finally, the dachshund pattern might look simple, but it's actually one of the smartest listings here. Instead of targeting a broad keyword like crochet toy, it goes very specific, dachshund lovers, and that's a huge difference. Because on Etsy, the more specific your niche is, the less competition you face, and the easier it is to convert. You're no longer competing with thousands of generic listings. You're speaking directly to a very targeted audience. And when you step back and look at all 4 of these listings together, you start to see a clear pattern. They all combine strong emotional appeal with clear use cases. They're beginner-friendly, highly specific, and easy to understand. And most importantly, they sit in that perfect price range for impulse buying, usually under $10. This is exactly how products win on Etsy right now. And this is exactly how I found this trend. Instead of guessing what to sell, I used EHunt to validate real data. What's any W and already making money? That's the key. If I were starting today, I would find 5 trending crochet listings, break down their designs and keywords, create a more specific variation, upload and test. Simple, but it works. That's all for today. See you next time.